السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. ربي اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. In this brief session, my dear students, we are going to go over example of fail ending with tum with an attached pronoun. So we have learned that whenever a fail that ends with mimul jam'a, like in word nasartum, and there is an attached pronoun like hu, huma, hum, ha, hunna, ka, kuma, kum, ki, kunna, ya or na, you will notice that there is a vowel, there is an extra vowel that gets inserted in between the two words. In between the fail and an attached pronoun, you see an extra vowel which has no grammatical role or significance. It is there only to ease the pronunciation. It is there for the ease of pronunciation and it is called vowel ishba. Where do you expect to see this vowel? This vowel is added after mimul jama. After mimul jama, meme for masculine plural. Okay, so the place of this vowel is after mimul jama. In past tense table, you have learned the only fail that has mimul jama'a is antum nasartum. So the only fail that will have this extra vowel inserted after it is going to be antum nasartum or ja'altum or samiatum. Only you are going to expect to see this vowel after mimul jama. Okay, remember that this vowel, which is an extra vowel for the ease of flow of pronunciation, is going to be found after mimul jama, which is found only in one field of past tense, which is antum nasartum, right? I hope this is clear to each and every one of you. So now, anytime you will see nasartum has an extra attached pronoun, which is not an inbuilt pronoun, you will find a vowel in between fail nasartum and who. You know that this tum is is ta is the pronoun, meme is for masculine plural, and it is not the part of the root letter. Root letters are noon, sod, and ra. So your assignment was to find fail madin ending with meme, memul jama, with an attached pronoun that has this extra vowel in between attached pronoun and fail madin ending with meme, right? So how you can do it is you pick this part of the word tumu, just copy tumu, only copy tumu, and put it in the search bar on tanzeel.net. On tanzeel.net, add this tumu and find your words. So you will have these 6 pages open in front of you, as you can see on my screen as well. And what you are going to do now is you are going to see where is my fail madin with an attached pronoun and this extra bow in between. Okay. When it comes to taktumuna, taktumu, or taktumuna, yaktumuna, 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 all these are examples of your present tense. These are not your past tense, so you are not going to worry about them. Anyways, kaf, tamim are the root letters of the word. So I have already told you that tamim is ta is the pronoun and meme is for masculine plural. It is not the root letter. So keep those facts in mind. So you will go to the seventh example on this page when the page opens for you, and you will start looking at ثقفتموهم. ثقفتم, ثقفتم was original word and hum got attached to it. And you notice this extra vowel inserted between the two words. So it was antum ثقفتم with hum attached, and vowel ishba got inserted between the two words for the ease of pronunciation. No grammatical significance, no grammatical role, just for the flow. Just added for the flow. Now let's see more examples. Here, آتيتموهن. آتيتموهن, original word was fi'il madin آتيتم. It was antum آتيتم. And hunna got attached to the word, and again we see vowel ishba, or the vowel that is there for the ease of flow of pronunciation has been added in between the two words, right? Again, There is another example from Surah Al-Baqarah again. طَلَّقْتُمُوهُنَّ طَلَّقْتُم, original fi'l madin. When hunna got attached to it, the waw is added to ease the pronunciation. For the ease of pronunciation, you have waw added, right? Then you see here again taktumu, skip this. It's present tense. رأيتموه رأيتم رأيتم, original fi'l madin. When who got attached to it, you see this extra vowel inserted in between the two words, right? In between رأيتم and who, the extra vowel comes. Again, we are going to skip yaktumuna. The next word we are going to focus on is from Surat Ali Imran, verse 183. قتلتموهم قتلتم أنتم قتلتم أنتم قتلتم. When whom got attached to it, vowel gets inserted in between the two words for the ease. For the ease. The next example, آتيتموهن, we already covered it. I'm not going to repeat this. كرهتموهن كرهتم, original fi'l madin ending with tum. When hunna got attached, this extra vowel was inserted between the two words. Yaktumuna fi'l mudare, don't focus on that. Yaktumuna, forget about it. Wajadtumuhum. See, waw, jeen, dal are the root letters. Ta mean, ta was the pronoun, mean for masculine plural. When whom got attached to this fi'l madin, wajadtum, you again notice waw for the ease of pronunciation inserted between the two words. We will skip takiftumuhum because we have already covered this word. We'll go to page number 3 and find more examples. Skip this one, we have already covered it. It is ataytum and hunna, and waw was extra for the ease of flow. Azzartumuhum, azzartum. Original word is azzartum. When hum got attached, waw got inserted in between the two words. دخلتموه دخلتموه, original fi'l madin دخلتم. When who got attached to the fi'l madin, waw was inserted in between fi'l madin and the attached pronoun who. جئتمونا جئتم, original word na was attached to it. جئتم أنتم جئتم. When na got attached to it, waw got inserted in between the two words. أطعتموهم أطعتم, original word. When whom got attached to it, waw was inserted in between the two words. أورثتموها أورثتم, it was أنتم أورثتم. When ha got attached to the word, you see the small vowel got added just for the ease of flow. سميتموها, the same thing. سميتم, fi'l madin, ha got attached to it and this vowel was added just for the ease of flow. Makartumuhu, makartumuhu, makartum is the original fi'l madin. When who was attached to the fi'l madin, we see the waw got inserted in between the two words makkartum and who, and this waw is just for the ease of flow again. Here, khalaftumuni, khalaftum and ni. Waw was inserted in between for the ease of flow. Here we also see the noon to protect fail from getting a kasra, noonul waqaya. But here, for this session, only focus on extra waw after mimul jama. Da'awtumuhum. Da'awtum, your original fi'l madin, when hum got attached to it, has now waw inserted between the two words. Wajadtumuhum, we already covered it. See, wajadtum and hum, there is an extra waw for the ease of flow. اقترفتموها اقترفتموها اقترفتم fi'l madin, when ha was attached to it, you see waw al-ishba got inserted between the two words. اتخذتم اتخذتم was your fi'l madin, when who got attached to it, waw al-ishba came in between the two words. سميتموها, we already have covered it. سميتم and ha, whenever سميتم أنتم سميتم has attached pronoun ha, it will have waw for the ease of flow inserted in between the two words. آذيتمونا. آذيتم. آذيتم was fi'l madin. Na was the attached pronoun. Waw ishba got inserted for the ease of flow. Ashraktum. Ashraktum. Antum ashraktum. And noon with ya got attached to it. Ya has been omitted from this word. However, we know there is a sign of omitted ya on the noon with the kasra here, and you notice that there is waw inserted between the two words. Sa'altumuhu. Sa'altum fi'l madin. Who attached pronoun waw ishba got inserted between the two words. Bashartumuni. Bashartumuni. Bashartum is antum bashartum, and me was attached to it, so we see waw got inserted between the two words. The next page, we have itazaltumuhum, itazaltum, original fail madin. When hum got attached to it, you notice the waw has been inserted for the ease of pronunciation. Ji'tumuna, ji'tum with na, and waw got inserted in between. Ittakhastumuhum, ittakhastum, and when hum got attached to it, wawilish was inserted. Sami'tumu, who, sami'tum, original word fail madin. When who got attached to it, Wabil Ishba came in between the two words. Sami'tumuhu, again, the same thing. I don't need to repeat myself. And we already talked about Taktumuna is fail mudare, is the present tense. We don't need to worry about it. Tallaktumuhunna, tallaktum, hunna got attached, Wabil Ishba got inserted. Sa'altumuhunna, sa'altum, with hunna, Wabil Ishba was added. Qaddamtum, qaddamtum was the original fail madin. When who got attached, it had to have wabil ishba for the ease of pronunciation. Uristumuha, we have done this example before. Uristum, original word. When ha got attached, waw was inserted in between. Askantumuhum, askhantum, fail madin, antum, askhantum. When hum got attached, you are seeing an extra waw in between the two words. Fakrihtumuhu, karihtum, with who attached. Therefore, waw had to be inserted between the two words. Sammaytumuha, see the same thing. We have done it before. Sammaytum, when ha was attached to sammaytum, antum sammaytum, fi'l madin antum sammaytum. You have waw inserted between attached pronoun and fi'l madin. Anzaltum, anzaltum was original word. When who was attached to fi'l madin anzaltum, you have wabil ishba inserted between the two words. Taraktumuha, taraktumuha, taraktum, fi'l madin taraktum. When ha got attached to it, wabil ishba got inserted between the two words. Alimtumuhunna, alimtum, alimtum, original word. Waw got inserted between fi'l madin alimtum and hunna. Ataytumuhunna, we have done it couple of times now. So this is all about your vowel ishba that you are going to find in your fail madin antum only. Um, and I hope you find this brief session beneficial and this helps you understand the role of the vowel that is only there for ease of pronunciation, has no grammatical significance, and this is all I have for today. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك نشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته